Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of real numbers. So buckle up as we explore this fundamental concept that's critical not only in math, but in our everyday lives. Real numbers include every number you can think of that is not imaginary. This means all the whole numbers, fractions, decimals, and even the irrational numbers that just keep going without repeating. Yes, we're talking about numbers like pi and the square root of 2. Now, why should you care about real numbers? Well, they are the building blocks of mathematics. Every time you measure something, count your change, or even check the time, you're dealing with real numbers. They are everywhere. Let's start with the basics. The real numbers can be visualized on a number line that extends infinitely in both the positive and negative directions. This line isn't just a high school math concept, it's a representation of all possible values that real numbers can cover. One of the most intriguing aspects of real numbers is how they fill the number line so densely. Between any two real numbers, no matter how close they are, there are infinitely many other real numbers. This property is what makes calculus work. It allows us to do things like calculate slopes of curves and find areas under curves, which are essential for fields ranging from physics to economics. Now, let's talk types. Real numbers are usually divided into rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are those that can be expressed as a fraction, whereas irrational numbers cannot be neatly expressed and have non-repeating, non-ending decimals. Understanding these types helps us grasp more complex mathematical concepts and solve real-world problems more effectively. Whether you're engineering a bridge, coding a new piece of software, or just trying to split a check, you're using principles that rely on real numbers. So, next time you look at your watch or measure ingredients for a recipe, remember, you're experiencing the real number system in action. It's not just abstract math, it's a practical, indispensable part of life. That's a wrap on our journey through the world of real numbers. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. Stay curious and keep exploring the incredible universe of mathematics.